Hey, what's up? What are we working on today, Al?
Got a 75 Bronco.
Super duper clean. Like, really, really nice car. So we're doing new headers and then complete exhaust on it. But it is a very, very, very nice car. Show you a little of the inside. Oh, and it's Al, you want to fire it up? It's it's very reasonable sounding, let's say. Yeah, so not bad, but let's see if we can make it sound better. All right, we're gonna get to it. All right, let's get a look under here. Yeah, they were nice headers a long, long, long time ago. So the only part of this vehicle that hasn't really been touched is the exhaust. So we'll get that all squared away. You know, we'll do what we can to get this stuff up higher. Get it matching at least. Yeah, man. So we're going to cut this out and then we'll get on to the headers. All right, we're all done with that. Al's got a cheeseburger. There we go. Nice headers in there. Yeah, nice dual exhaust all set up. So we'll see what it sounds like and get out of your hair. We'll see you next time.